guys, ama-influencer are misleading abantwana abancane, are bad role models, especially these female influencers. I was saying Bucci, for example. We are not taking an example because even when I watch my vlogs are boring. My vlogs are boring. My vlogs are saying Bucci, guys. So guys, mabe ufuna uba influencer, iba influencer relatable. Ube relatable to ekasi. Like uposte at least usemkhukhwini uthenga inyama enhloko, sikubona uthenga inhloko emkhukhwini. Usupporte ama business amancane. Emikhukhwini uthenga amakota emahontshini la. Amakota at a low cost. Ufundisa abantu ukuthi a simple lifestyle is better than ukuthi uhambe uyochoma lapho uthengana nama-iPhone expensive. Asithi ningawuthenga ama-iPhone expensive, asithi ningaphili that expensive life, but cabangela that young child ohlele ongasebenzi uyasabawela. That's why lamantombazana namanje sewaba desperate, sawuthola sebafuna ama-blesser in order to live life le eyabuseni Bucci. Yabona, that's why amantombazana manje sewodlala namadoda anemali who are old enough to be their fathers or uncle or even their grandpas, and people ubona abantu congratulations. Yini into kumele ujabulele ukuthi ubone umuntu omncane ona 25 azoshoda nomkhulu ona 85, umuntu ongashona noma kunini noma kusasa ngamngcwaba lo muntu loyo. That is barely an ancestor lelo mfethu, is a living grave. Ithuna lelo, ithuna. Sorry to say that about abantu abadala, ithuna lelo. So you can't be sawawelling ezinto ongazi ukuthi zitholakala kanjani. Yes, life was better before ama-influencers. Yabona, without influencers. Yabona, at least ama-influencers, mina, I don't watch vlogs. I'm bored. I'm not inspired by vlogs. Kampana ngizibukele Nota Mondays lapha. At least I'm learning about businesses, about how to do a YouTube channel and all those things. I'm inspired. Manje, how can I be inspired by Usain Bucci? Umuntu ophila life that's beyond me. That's beyond me. Hi man, that's uncle level yakhe lo muntu yana. Yes, it's great to be inspired, but check ukuthi ubani role model yakho. You can't be inspired by abantu who are bad role models to abantwana abancane. People who are misleading abantwana abancane, and abantwana abancane will grow up believing ukuthi le ndaba yokuthengisa ngemizimba is a good thing. That's why manje sekunama-deployment, sekunama-branch amaningi ama-deployment abo-Iphi Ntombi, sekunama Diddley hotels and all those places, because these girls, they are sabawelling this lifestyle. They are sabawelling, bayasabawela. Guys, girls, ngicela nibe nama-good role models, guys. So nishada kanjani? How can we marry you if we don't never good models afana nabo Usain Bucci? Guys, Usain Bucci is not a good role. At least Nandi Matita. Nandi Matita is a woman. But subscribe her channel, YouTube channel. He has barely subscribers. And the subscribers are amancane. Mara Usain Bucci ina 200k subscribers. Mara Nandi Matita, I'm sure 100, maybe I got 100k subscribers. Why didn't I subscribe to channel like? Because ukhuluma about independence, businesses, all those things. Then we find those things boring. It zabhora lo muntu uyabhora. Nifunani? Nifuna umuntu ozotweka lapha, etweke iteji lapha, neyibune ithambile is fake. Hayi. Mantombazana aninawo good role model. Aninawo, ngeke nishade nini. Yabona, then nithi amadoda izinja. Kanjani? Because yini eniphathisa kwezinja? Senamathambo manje namihlafuna wonke izinja. Namathambo wethu manje nohlafuna hayi man hayi. Guys, subscribe to the channel, support the channel. Sazoba nabantu ama guests abazokhuluma about these issues. Thank you.